In this ParaCourse lesson, we want to model this parametric bridge, which I'm going to explain and model this with a graph mapper. You can see I can change the graph mapper and produce different results. And we can have the maximum deflection also down here based on meters. And by changing the multiplication, we can change the bridge height. We can change the division and see how the deflection is changing. At the end of the tutorial, I'm also going to explain how we can visualize the deflection of the bridge, and also we can increase the radius of the pipes, which is making the structure and also the thickness. So this tutorial will help you to use Graph Mapper to produce a parametric bridge. And the good thing about Graph Mapper is that we can combine it. So I can even combine it with another Graph Mapper. And here you can see that by changing this graph, I even can tweak a little bit for the form of the bridge. So you can see that I can change this and check the maximum deflection to see how these multiplication of the graph mappers can produce optimized results for the bridge. We're going to use the Millipede plugin and use the graph mapper to produce the parametric form.